Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a tally on Excel. Tallying is the essential process of counting occurrences of specific items within your data. It helps you quickly understand the distribution and frequency of different values. We will cover straightforward techniques using built-in functions and then move on to more complex scenarios, ensuring you can effectively summarize any dataset you encounter. This skill is incredibly useful for data analysis. Our first method for tallying uses the powerful COUNTIF function. This function allows you to count cells within a designated range that satisfy a single condition. Imagine you have a list of 100 items. You can easily count how many times a specific item, like banana, appears. Simply specify your data range and the item you wish to count, and Excel provides the total number instantly. It is a fundamental tool for basic frequency analysis. When your tallying needs become more complex, the COUNTIFs function is your go-to tool. Unlike COUNTIF, this function allows you to apply multiple criteria to different ranges simultaneously. For instance, you could count how many large red shirts were sold, combining 3 distinct conditions. This provides a much more granular analysis, letting you pinpoint specific data points that meet several requirements at once. It is incredibly versatile for detailed reporting. Once you have generated your tallies, the next step is often to visualize them for better understanding and communication. Excel offers various chart types that can transform your raw numbers into compelling visuals. A bar chart, for example, is excellent for comparing the frequencies of different categories, while a pie chart can illustrate the proportion each category contributes to the total. Visualizing your data makes complex information much more digestible and impactful for your audience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.